You are watching Cable ATSG, Milwaukee, Wisconsin's community access channel.
Wayne's World, powertrain, excellent, shift time. Hey, it's been a long time since I've been to Wayne's World. See? Wayne's World. Hey, welcome to Wayne's World of Transmissions. My name is Wayne Colonna, and I'm going to be your host where you're going to get the most excellent tech. Shift time, Wayne's World.
Here we have a 2016 Hyundai Elantra 1.8 liter that has a second gear ratio problem before and after rebuild. And it so happens that when the unit came in the first time, they found that the transmission was water damaged. And in talking to the customer, the owner told them that it was the car was in a flood. So they rebuilt the transmission. And after they rebuilt the transmission, they still had similar complaints. The shift adapts were reset using a scan tool. And then they did the TCM learn procedure. They followed the whole static learning, the garage shift into gear, the drive learning. They did everything according to the process, and they still had an issue with P0732, similar shift complaints and things like that. So what was discovered was there was something that they needed to do that wasn't on the TCM side, but on the ECM side. They had to go to auto detected configuration reset. They had to select this option, go to the engine side with the scan tool, and then go to special functions, and there they can select the auto detected configuration reset. When you actually select this, it comes up and it tells you that the automatically detected configuration into the engine management system from the assembly factory, like the automatic transmission, traction control, vehicle speed, AC, manifold, air pressure, map sensor, auto cruise, and battery management configuration can be reset by this function. And this is what needed to be done. We had to reset it, and it reset all of these, but particularly the AT. And so once that was done, we resolved the problem.
All right, all you transmission pros, and if you're still with me, excellent. And if you want some more totally awesome tech material like this, just sign up for an ATSG membership. It's like having a backstage pass to all the good stuff. And it's super easy. Just pick up the phone and call 1-800-245-7722. And until then, it's Wayne's World of Transmissions, excellent shift time, powertrain.